Hi guys, in this video we're gonna do the multimeter tests in order to show you how we can use the multimeter on the basic steps, of course, for the heating engineers. First of all, in order to have the accurate and reliable results, we have to use a reliable multimeters. Fluke is one of them. It's not the only, but one of them. And let's crack on. I have in front of me an extractor fan. The extractor fan has windings. Those windings have an ohm resistance, and we can easily check with the ohm meter to see if that is on acceptable levels or not. Let's dive in. I'm gonna put it on the ohm here. I'm not sure if the camera can see that. Here's the ohm measurement. I will try to hook it here in order you can read, if you can, the readings. And I will put the two probes here, one on the top, one on the bottom. And yes, we have some ohm resistance here, is around 700 ohms. That means the extractor fan is okay. Let's try now, and this video of course would like to dedicate and thanks Mikel. It's from Mikel. This is the electromagnetic solenoid valve from the oil pump. Again, we can measure the voltage, the ohm resistance between the 2 points here. When we measure, it's not good to keep it with 2 fingers, because actually part of the resistance is the body. We can grab one and the other one free, and we can read as well. I can see here we have roughly about 900 ohms, which means also it's okay. Go to the next one, which is the gas valve here. The gas valve has 2 pinholes here which connected the plug, and again we can try to measure the resistance, the ohm resistance. Yeah, sorry guys, it's a bit difficult here because I try to read the same time from the monitor on the settings. I will try to do it from here. Yeah, we have 1100 plus ohms, which means it's all right. And go to the transformer. We have the high voltage transformer, or in other words, the spark generator. We have the low voltage and the high voltage. Let's check the low voltage first. The low voltage probably is quite low. It's quite big, so cannot read the high voltage. Let's see if we can read. Probably this one is gone as well, I'm afraid. Let's double check. Yeah. Yeah, probably this one, by the way, is gone. The other thing, I have the flow or return thermistor, which is this one, and again we have 2 plugs, and again we can test it. And the funny thing is, now we have 13, 12, and because I keep in my hands the resistance chains, because that's the thing actually on this part, to modulate the resistance according to the temperature. And as soon as getting warm in my hands, the ohm resistance getting lower and getting lower. And if I put it somewhere on the cold space, let's have a look if I can manage to do. Yeah, the resistance getting bigger now when I touch to the cold capacitor. That's a very good example as well, what is the thermistors. And the last bit is the capacitor. And if we go to the multimeter, you will see we have an area with a capacitor. That's the symbol of the capacitor. I'm not sure if in the camera you can see, but that's the symbol of the capacitor here. Yeah. And let's make a try just to see what we can read. Let's read first of all what's the capacitor, 30 millifarad. And let's connect it here and here. And yes, we have 30 millifarad, 29.9. Bear in mind the readings change a little bit because it's not extremely accurate anyway, the multimeters. Now we can test as well the voltage on the PCB, and in order to do that we have to go to the voltage, which is here, and then simply just attached to the PCB wherever that position is, and read between neutral and live, or neutral and earth, or live and earth. The other thing is we can check, for example, the amps. If we go up here is the amps, and we can check DC and AC amps. The only way we can do that is just to go wherever cable we'd like to measure the amps, put it in here and read the measurements. I hope to help a little bit. Don't hesitate to give me your comments or more questions. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.